Hello, dynamic founders and communicators. Today, we're unlocking the secret to a universally compelling pitch deck versatility, adapting to different audiences. Let's explore how you can fine-tune your presentation to captivate any audience you face. Start with audience research. Knowing who you're talking to, their interests, expertise, and what they value allows you to tailor your pitch for maximum relevance and engagement. Your core message is your anchor. No matter who's listening, the essence of your startup, your mission and vision should remain unchanged. This consistency is your pitch's backbone. Adapt the depth of information. For industry veterans, detail the nuts and bolts. For a broader audience, zoom out to focus on your startup's impact and potential. Highlight what matters to them. Different audiences have different priorities. Align your presentation's focus with their specific interests to make your pitch more compelling. Prepare to be interactive. Use tools that allow you to adapt your presentation in real time, engaging directly with the audience's feedback and questions. Embrace feedback as a tool for refinement. Every presentation is an opportunity to learn. Use insights gained from audience reactions to continuously evolve your pitch. And practice, practice, practice. Being versatile means being prepared to pivot your focus smoothly and confidently, no matter the audience or their response. By crafting a pitch deck that's not only informative but also adaptable, you ensure your startup story resonates with anyone from angel investors to potential partners and beyond. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you ensure your pitch deck speaks effectively to different audiences? Share your experiences and let's inspire each other towards greater adaptability and impact.